Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and now we have to open the settings. So here we've got this gear icon. If you cannot find it here in this panel, no worries. Tap on this four, let's say, dots icon, and the settings will appear right here. Alright, so as I said, let me open the settings, and here we are in the languages immediately. So here we've got the list of all languages which are currently applied. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages. You can scroll and find, or you can tap on this section and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. After finding, just tap on it. Now we can choose the keyboard layout, so just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on Done. I'll use only one. And as you can see, right now we've got two different languages added. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with two or more languages added. So let me go back to the keyboard. And here we've got the hint, and we've got this this important icon highlighted, and the globe icon, thanks to which we will be able to change the language. So right now we've got English, but after tapping on it we can switch to the Urdu one. What's more, the space bar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. Alright, so to remove the language, let's open the settings again, go to this languages section, and now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.